Hello y'all, time for a change of pace, which I always enjoy. Today we're doing a PS4 HDMI port replacement. As y'all can see, I've already went ahead and removed the bad port. Alright, it may get a little loud, so you might want to turn down your audio. And those of you that were paying close attention, yes, that is a torn pad, but it's a ground pad, so it will not need to be restored. We did good. Those are the posts. And those are the pins. Let's go ahead and bolt it up and test. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Memberships available with perks included. And the online store is now open. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all the support.